This screencast is to demonstrate how to export course content from PowerSchool Learning or Haiku and import it into a Canvas course. So here I am starting with an online module and a course that I want to export this content. You will begin by going to Manage Class in the top right corner and scrolling down to the Import Export option. Once you select Import Export, the default is that it's on the Import tab. There is a tab next to Import that is called Export. You will select Export and choose the radio dot for version 1.2. Once you choose the radio dot, you will then select Export. There will be a little bit of a status bar letting you know that the course content is being exported. And once it is completed, this rectangle will appear that shares last export, the date and time, along with the option to download that content. So this export was completed today, and I did it prior to this tutorial only because depending on the size of the course, it could take a couple of minutes. So once you do this export, you'll select download and save it to your device. The download is known as a common cartridge. Okay, it's going to be known as CC, common cartridge. And once it's on your device, you will then jump over into the Canvas platform. Please keep in mind that Canvas is accessible from the NC EdCloud. So once you head to my.ncedcloud.com, you'll log in using your staff UID number and your unique password similar to or the same as accessing PowerTeacher, and our Canvas icon is red for LEA 390. So once you click on the Canvas icon for LEA 390, you will then have access to this. This is your Canvas dashboard. All of your published courses will be housed in the top, and these are your published favorited courses. And then you will have unpublished courses towards the bottom. All new courses start off as unpublished. So in order to import your course content into Canvas, you will start by creating a new course. So down here on the right column, there is the option to start a new course. So I'm going to select it. You will begin by selecting your institution or what you are associated with. So in this case, I'm going to select Granville Academy, and then you will provide your course a name. So I usually put my initials in front of certain courses or certain schools, as well as online blended program has a naming convention. But for this particular course, I'm going to just name it the same with my initials that is in Haiku or PowerSchool Learning. Once you enter the name, you will create the course. Now the course is blank, and this is the same view for all courses that are created. You will have some course details, and over here to the right is where we are going to look. There's a lot of extra pieces that you will learn about in the future, but the one that I will highlight is Import Course Content. So we are going to select Import Course Content from the column on the right, and we're going to select our type. So in this case, we are going to select the common cartridge package. So this is known as a common cartridge that we're taking out of Haiku or PowerSchool Learning. You will then choose the file. So I'm going to go ahead and select Choose File. It's located in my downloads, and our common cartridges end here with this CC on the end. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and choose Open. You then have some options. The one that I'm going to select is going to be all content. You have the ability to kind of have dates adjust, but in this case, we're importing our content simply to modify it. So once you have your file as well as all content selected, you can select Import. You will see the uploading progress bar here, and this online module is a little bit of a smaller module, so it's going very quickly. But in the case of some of our larger courses, it may take just a little bit longer. So once it is 100% complete, you will see down here under current jobs that this job was completed on whatever day and time. So once that upload is complete, okay, so we can see here it's queued, Once the upload is complete, all of your course content will be housed within this course, and you can access it from pages as well as modules here on the left side. So this is just a quick tutorial on how to export your course content from Haiku or PowerSchool Learning and import it into Canvas. Please stay tuned for additional professional development opportunities around access as a teacher, access for students, as well as administrators. And don't hesitate to reach out for any assistance. Thank you.